Hello, wonderful people. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today is another episode of Busy Beader. If you don't know me already, my name is Caitlin, and today we're gonna make some super awesome Christmas tree earrings. The great thing about these is that they're super simple. You can really customize this piece to however you want because these come in dozens of different colors, and so you can make a Christmas tree of any kind of variety that you'd like. I found this super pretty kind of iridescent green color and I'm very excited about that. So I'm gonna do a green and gold combination, which is a perfect segue into my sponsor. Fire Mountain Gems and Beads is where I got all of the materials for today's craft, including all of my tools and supplies. So head over to their website, link in the description below. You can find the step-out instructions for this craft on my website, and the step-out instructions have direct links to all of the materials that I used today. So if you want to make this exact pair of earrings, you can bounce on over there. But then you can also just visit my sponsor's website, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, and you can go on a search for your own colors so that you can make your own unique pair of earrings for every person in your life. Please be sure to like this video if you enjoy it and subscribe so that you never miss something. So let's get into it.
Step 1.
You're going to gather all of your materials and your tools.
Step 2.
We're gonna grab an eye pin. I went ahead and I chose to use an eye pin today because the eye is going to be hidden in this little cone bead here. If you go ahead and decide to use a square bead, you're just gonna wanna use a T-pin instead of an eye pin. That way the bottom of it is hidden. So to start off with here, we're gonna thread this cone bead through the eye pin. Then we're gonna take our largest margarita bead here, and we're going to put that right on top of the cone bead. Then we're going to grab the next size down here. We're going to thread that on top. Finally, we'll top it off with the littlest margarita bead. That'll go there. See, already looking like a little Christmas tree. But we can't forget our little stars. I chose this teeny tiny little gold bead here today to top it off. I thought that was just a cute little accent. And there is our Christmas tree.
Step 3.
Grab your round nose pliers. You're gonna go right above where this bead is. You're gonna push it at a 90-degree angle like this. Next, we're gonna take our clippers and we're gonna clip off the tail end here. I always leave myself just a little bit more than I might need, because you can always clip more off, but you can't put it back on once you've clipped it off. But now you're gonna take your round nose pliers here. You're gonna spin it back in the opposite direction. And there we have our loop.
Step 4.
We're gonna take our earring back, and you can choose any kind you like. I really like this earring loop because it's just got a nice, really nice finish to it, and this little flat piece just makes it look really elegant. You can come here, and we're just gonna open this up just enough to thread our tree through. And then you're just gonna close her back up again. And there we have it. And just like that, you have a finished pair of earrings. Less than 5 minutes. Please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Check out my website if you want more information, and visit my sponsor's website if you'd like to make these gorgeous creations yourself. I hope that you have a very wonderful holiday with your friends and family, and that you get a little bit of time to create something. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.